Okay, so let's have the True Millionaires Prayer by Brother Bo Sanchez. If you're a Catholic, you can have the sign of the cross with me. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Today I ask you to bless me so that I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use me as your channel of love. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world. Increase my financial wisdom and expand my territories. I place my life in your hands. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. And let's also have our trainer's credo. You can have it with me all together. No, I know the only way I will become successful is to train and to duplicate new trainers. I know exactly how to win. I win by field training one person at a time. Thus, I must remain simple in my presentations and training. I must be consistent and predictable. I have to do it fast so the trainee can see how doable it is. I understand that the future of the new trainee and his family is in my hands. I must do it right and do it with pride. My trainee will be successful because of my commitment, dedication, and belief in the mission of our business. Rather than giving a man a fish, we teach him how to fish. I'm proud to be an IMG WSP trainer. Okay, so welcome sa ating partners training this week. So it's a Saturday, 8 p.m. Probably, marami sa atin gusto nang magpahinga, mag-relax, because it's a weekend. Or matulog, manood ng favorite Netflix or Korean novela or what have you, no? So, but you chose to be here, no? And that only means one thing, that you have big dreams in life. All right? So, kasi di ba, attending meetings and trainings take a lot of commitment, and I'm very proud of you all who are here tonight. So welcome, welcome. Our training tonight is titled A Whole New World. This training is actually supposed to be by Coach Rosie Sardido, but they have their CEO training right now. So um biglaan lang. So we step up and we do the training instead. So most of the content here right now is from Coach Rosie talaga, no? And I really find this training very helpful for every one of us. I hope I could give justice to Coach Rosie's presentations. Okay? So makikita natin dito yung ating magic carpet. Right? So ito po ay diniscuss last convention. Last month po, nung November 15. So the magic carpet of IMG. Why is it, no, na at the time of a pandemic, kung kailan almost all of the businesses lugmok tayo sa IMG, we are soaring high, talagang blessed tayo ni Lord ngayon, and because of the magic carpet. Okay, so let's talk about this talk is about the magic carpet po ng IMG. Okay, so let's proceed. So my name po pala is Hera Advincula. I am your trainer for tonight. I have been in IMG since 2016. That as January of 2016, I joined and saved for my Kaiser long-term care. And then initially, no, yun talaga yung purpose ko to get Kaiser and to invest in mutual funds. But like many of us, I think all of us know, who do the mission, we fall in love with the mission of IMG to the point that we quit our jobs, no? So that's what happened to me. As soon as I became SMD, I really found IMG a great business with a great mission, and a sustainable help to every Filipino. That's why I stick with IMG instead of my job and other businesses. Right now, I'm a full-time trainer of IMG along with my husband. And yeah, nakakatuwa talaga. I never thought also before na I'd be here, but I really find it a blessing. Even no, ngayong pandemic, nakikita mo talaga kung gaano tayo na blessed ni IMG, kung gaano tayo naka-ride sa ating magic carpet, right? Sabi pa nga sa song ng Aladdin, naku, wag niyo lang ako pakantahin kasi hindi talaga ako singer, but I love these lines. A whole new world, di ba? A new fantastic point of view. No one can tell us no or where to go or say we're only dreaming. Kasi Ngayon sa nga pandemic, no, nakita natin na yung teams natin nag-explode talaga. We have been building teams all over the world. No one can tell us, no. Every leaders call may mga bago pong nagsusulputan na sa ibang, kahit sa kasulok-sulukan ng Africa, sa kasulok-sulukan ng Europe, sa kasulok-sulukan ng Pilipinas, kahit mabundok, no, may mga bagong members po ng IMG. That's because what we do is super great. Right? So yan yung ating magic carpet. Pero before ito dumating yung ating magic carpet, ano po ba yung strength natin dati? Dati po yung bullet train natin, di ba, is yung field training talaga, field appointments, yung offline. That's what we do. Most of us, di ba? Every day, we go to the field, do the training with our trainers, and even nag-onset na ng pandemic noon, my team and I, we were running for Green Jacket, and talagang field ng field. Travel pa nga ako noon ng probinsya every week, and then nag-Manila pa, and then uh kahit saan, kasi we do field, and we love doing it too, because of course we meet people, no, we hear their stories, actual stories. But pandemic came, no, what happened, no, pandemic came, anong ginawa ni IMG, so yun, nag-transition tayo. But actually, no, before pa nga ng pandemic, no, ongoing na, no, ginawa na niya ni IMG. So nakita natin ngayong pandemic na yung business natin is pandemic proof talaga. Right? Sabi pa nga sa prayer ni Brother Bo, di ba, last convention, sabi niya, Lord, sabi niya, start changing your prayers. On top of saying, Lord, please end this pandemic, say, Lord, please prosper me during this pandemic so that we can prosper others too. And that's what really happened ngayong pandemic, right? So, ano ba yung nangyari, no? So, from being comfortable sa ating mga bahay, no, it's a challenge, right, because we cannot go out. So sabi dito, being challenged is inevitable. Hindi talaga natin maiiwasan, itong pandemic is a huge challenge for everyone, for every businesses. But what did we do? Sabi dito, but being defeated is optional. So tayo sa IMG, hindi tayo pumayag na ma-defeat. Nakita talaga natin we chose to look at the silver lining of the pandemic. So what is the silver lining? No? Yung ating online, di ba? So yan yung nangyari ngayon. From field trainings, no, nakita natin, ito yung sample ko lang ng aming field trainings, field na mga work. So dati po, we go to different offices. We are being invited. This one is in the army, sometimes sa police, sometimes sa mga offices, sa schools, kahit pamilya or individual. No, this is what we do all day, and we love it as well. But right now, because of the pandemic, we do almost all of it, no, sa Zoom. Nakikita nyo yung ating leaders call, 1,000 participants yung lumalaban every day. Yung nakakapasok every day sa ating leaders call. Okay? And every day we have many multiple na mga Zoom meetings from the different teams, no? So this is how we flourished. This is how we chose not to lose. No, we rise above the challenges. So nakaka-amaze po talaga yung persistence ng ating business, no? Kung gaano tayo lumalaban, and nakita talaga natin kung gaano din siya ka-lucrative ngayong pandemic, and that's because of the beauty of our business. Alright, so sabi dito, take you wonder by wonder, di ba? Sinong mag-aakala, di ba? Sabi pa nga ni Sir Noel, it's like a divine intervention. Kasi dati pa man, before pa nag-pandemic, meron na tayong existing na online, no? Meron na tayong tinatawag na magic lamp. So dito ngayon, what have we been doing? The magic lamp, no? Dinarub natin yung ating magic lamp ng many times. So alala na naman, it will help you fulfill your wishes, sabi pa nga ba. So ano ba uli yung ating magic lamp, no? Inuulit-ulit ito every day sa leaders call. So rubbing the magic lamp means putting a new name in our campaign list. So that is your share list, your care list, or yung taong gusto nating matulungan na maging financially educated. So ano nga po ulit yun, So yung ating code, www.yourcode For example, my code is 1679mf.30m2030.com. So lahat po ng ating gustong sharean at na-sharean, dapat napasok po natin sa link na ito kasi yung atin pong countdown is umaandar every time na may napapasok tayo para po mabilang po ang lahat and ma-counted. Because remember, our mission is to achieve 30 million. And right now, we are yet at 2 million plus. So malayo pa po yung ating tatahakin, and that only means na maraming Pilipino pa yung matutulungan and maraming Pilipino ang yayaman, di ba? So paano po ba ito mas madaling gawin, ano? So what we do and what we really suggest to do is to book the link in your bookmark, ano? At gawin mo siya, ilagay mo siya sa iyong homepage. So ito, no, gaya nito, ito yung link .30mby2030.com, i-star nyo po siya. So mga, just in case hindi pa po alam, ano, I know marami sa atin dito yung alam, pero for the sake of everyone, hindi pa po alam, so atin siyang i-bookmark. Lagyan natin ng pangalan, for example, 30M by 2030, and atin po siyang i-confirm done. So ito po yung illustration ni Coach Rosie, ano, na ginawa niya. So pag na-bookmark na po siya, anong mangyayari? Lalabas na po siya dito. So easily accessible when you open your Chrome, when you open your kung ano pa pong tawag nito, website na ating i-open, ano. So ayan, so i-click mo lang ito, diretso na po tayo sa ating campaign na link. So malalagay natin agad yung ating prospect. Right? Yung name ng ating, yung details ng ating prospect. Alright? So once naandyan na, i-add nyo po siya sa home screen nyo. Diba? Create a shortcut para mas madali niyo siyang mapuntahan kung sample nag-open pa lang tayo ng laptop, di ba? So ito, sample natin dito, no? Nakikita nyo ngayon yung aking desktop, ito sa aking laptop. So nilagay ko talaga siya sa aking home screen, no? In-encircle ko po siya dito. So kabilang siya sa kakaunting nasa aking home screen. And then, makikita nyo sa aking phone naman, ito ay screenshot po ng aking phone. Anong tawag dito? Wallpaper. Homepage, no? Homepage. So, naandito din po siya. Akin din po siyang in-add sa aking homepage so that madali ko po siyang ma-access. Say for example, may naalala ako na name and na-chat ko po siya, nakuha ko po yung details niya. Click ko lang yan, input ko yung details niya, masasama na siya sa aking share list. Alright? Or, tawag nito, sa na-sharean ko pa lang and ma-add ko agad siya, no? Bago ko siya ma-sharean or after ko siya ma-sharean. So, very, very easy access na pag ito po yung ginagawa natin. Okay? Ayan. So, tanong, ano, who should you enter in your counter po ba? May alam po ba dito? Kasi ako din, akala ko dati, dapat yung ini-enter natin sa ating counter is yung na-sharean na po natin. Right? So, na-MO na po natin or na ating na financial check-up na po natin. Right? So, sino po ba? No? So, ang sagot is anyone. Your family, your friends, as long as you get to have their details. Okay, so anyone po, pwede po nating malagay. Remember, we have this campaign right now na para magkaroon ng shirt, so easier po, di ba? Kasi anyone, kahit hindi pa po nag-join and save, and kahit hindi pa po na-sharean, kasi part na po siya ng iyong share list. And this is a suggestion, no, how to easily ask for personal data. Kasi personal data po yan, hindi po yan madaling i-ask sa ating mga kakilala. Bagko sa ating mga, lalo-lalo na po sa mga hindi natin kakilala, no, or ngayon pa lang natin nakikilala. So, this is how to easily do it, no? So, give a free giveaway, which is our ebook. Diba? So, sino pa dito yung wala pang copy ng PDF ng ebook? Right? Kasi kung wala pa, hingi po kayo sa sponsor natin, okay? So meron po tayong copy nito na ebook, or kung wala pa, 'di ba, meron tayong link sa survey link. If you register there, our member, may free ebook po sila. But mas madali po for me, by experience, mas madali po yung ebook copy na lang na PDF, send mo sa Messenger, download nila, so ma-access agad nila, right? So ayun, pero of course yung ebook pa natin is yung first few pages pa lang po, right? So hindi pa lahat. So once mabasa po nila, of course mabibitin sila and they would want to know more and would eventually become a member because the full copy of the ebook is in our portal naman, di ba? So ayan, so ito po yung madali. So once you get their email, their name, email, phone number, and other details, ipasok mo na po sila sa ating campaign. So ito po yung itsura ng ating campaign. Lagay po natin yung first name, last name, tapos yung email po niya, tapos yung telephone number. And then, yung details po, no, may i-ask dito si IMG, select how po ninyo how you intend to share IMG to them. Kung hindi pa po na-sharean or kung na-share na, how po you shared IMG. It's either through book study or pina-attend nyo po siya ng class or financial check-up or yung workshop po natin. So you can choose any of this, all right? And then here, you can choose no trainee. Kung walang trainee, then trainer or trainee, okay lang. Kung trainee ka, trainer. So depende po sa situation, all right? So you can choose no trainee. For example, if you choose that, baba tayo, no? Dito naman, may option tayo. If you want to put it sa share list mo lang, remember, we have a share list na pwede nating isulat lang lahat. And right now, we can do it na through our portal para automated na siya. Agad-agad nasa system mo na siya sa IMG. Under na po siya sa code mo. So it's easier for us to monitor. So yun lang masasabi ko, no, ang galing-galing ni IMG kasi ang dami niyang ginagawa ngayon yung admin natin. They're working very hard so that it would be easier for us. Lahat na ginagawa ni IMG, ano, para maging madali sa atin. Because if you have this kind of technology, no, sa iyong business, it would really cost you a lot. I used to work online, no, as a freelancer, and I work for European clients, and these kind of tools, right, they take a lot of money, monthly subscriptions that costs a lot. But dito, because we're members of IMG, it's free, and it's just for us to learn, and yung learning nasa portal lang po. So yan lang, no, yung pag-take advantage lang natin. So again, no, you can choose share list or yung send opt-in email para may option naman siya. Kasi syempre, if you opt-in mo siya, makaka-receive po sila ng email sa atin. What if hindi sila nag-expect ng email sa atin, di ba? So parang maano sa, paano ba nito niya nakuha ang aking email, di ba? So you can ask permission, you can choose, you can put them on your share list and then do the approach thing or send an opt-in email. Kung kakilala mo rin lang, so go ahead and send opt-in email. So ito, share list, no email to be received, and send opt-in email, will receive an email yung ating pong nalagay sa ating counter. So ito yung pop-up, no? Congratulations, a message will be sent to your registered email to confirm your registration. And ito po yung email na ma-receive niya. Ang ganda-ganda po, sabi dito. Hi, kung may name dito, so say Joy. Hi, Joy. Now more than ever, financial education is vital to all. Everyone would like to learn and understand how to save money properly for their families to become wealthy. If you want to join the 30M by 2030 financial literacy campaign in educating 30 million families for free, please click the link. So once i-click po itong link na ito yung sample kay Coach Rosie, okay? Once i-click na nila yung link, so mag-subscribe na po sila sa iyo. Alright? So makaka-receive na po siya ng mga emails nyo na auto-generated din lang sa ating Dominate link. Okay? So, eto, no? So, makikita natin yung IMG list and then meron po tayong autoresponders. We can design this po. But, ang sabi po nila Sir Joen sa last na mga leaders call, they're doing the autoresponders na din para easier na po for us. Automated na yung pag-follow up and everything else. Di ba? Ang galing-galing. So, ewan ko anong rason pa natin para hindi talaga mag-flourish sa business na ito kung aandyan na lahat. So, ito yung sample na response. Sabi dito ni Marvin, can I have your link, ma'am? Tapos, after itong email, so, ayan, no? So, meron ka agad result once ma-receive nila yung email. Alright? So, let's go now to our wealth creation system. So for those who have taken the wealth creation system in our portal, so congratulations, but take it again, di ba? Sabi pa nga nila, you have to take it more than once, at least 4 times, 5 times para ma-master nyo po talaga siya, sabi pa nila, repetition is the best teacher, and that's why I also love repeating. Kahit yung Trainer Academy, gusto ko siyang balikan, and each time din na mag-Trainer Academy, talagang grabe yung nakakabuhay po talaga siya sa iyo, na parang yung mga pangarap mo parang lumiliwanag, no? Nakikita mo na kung paano siya matutupad pag nag-a-attend ka ng Trainer Academy. That's why everyone, please, please, please qualify po talaga for Trainer Academy. Naiiyak ako minsan pag Trainer Academy kasi grabe ka-powerful talaga yung mga tinuturo nila, Sir Joen. And I'm excited for everyone na maka-attend talaga, no? Kasi it's really, I have to say, it's really life-changing. Alright, so wealth creation system. Let's review. Yung step 1 po natin is yung share list, yung kanina. And then yung pangalawa, yung book share. Ito yung pinadali ni IMG kasi this solves the obstacles in approaching. Kasi marami sa atin, di ba? Yan yung palaging parang downfall nila kasi takot na mag-approach, takot ng rejections, takot ng no. And I feel you because I was once like you. Right? So, hindi talaga madali, no? Yung i-scene zone ka or i-reject ka na sabihin nila baka ano yan, ganito, ganyan, no? So parang ikaw magda-doubt ka na din, but if hindi strong yung belief mo, talagang instead na you stand firm by your but what you believe in, no? Talagang tuloy makikinig ka sa kung sino man yung nagsabi noon, ano? So, ngayon ito pinadali na ni IMG kasi yun nga, in-automate na because of our online system. Also, our book study sa wealth creation system, yung ating pangatlo, pwede nang kahit nasa bahay lang, like ginagawa natin ngayon, di ba? So, how have we been doing it, no? So, we have been campaigning online, number 1, through one-on-one or group video call, di ba? Zoom, Messenger. Ang galing ni Messenger ngayon kasi nakita ni Messenger na, nga, no, wala tayong screen share. So, kagaya ng sa Zoom. So, ginawa nila, meron na ding screen share. So, kung hindi pa po ninyo alam, yung ating Messenger, pwede na po makapag-screen share, no? Like sa Zoom. Okay? So, pwede na tayong, kasi ang daming may parang for me, excuses na, no? Kana, ayaw nilang mag-Zoom kasi mahina, ganito, ganyan, walang na-install. So, may Messenger naman, pwede kang mag-screen share, di ba? If you want to do it, you can really do it. May Skype, may Viber, may WhatsApp, may Google Meet. So, kahit anong tool, pwede po. And then, we also have synergized group na membership orientation. And our team alone in IMG, Prosper Pinoy team, we have got 8 classes daily, no? So, from 12 noon, 12:30 up to 9 p.m. we have classes. So pili ka na lang yung prospect mo, papipiliin mo na lang ng live class, ano? And I really suggest this because iba talaga yung effect ng live class. Yung nakikita nila na marami ding nakikinig, na marami ding gustong matuto, right? So everyone, no, sa ating team is encouraged to really invite people to join our classes. Kasi ako, isa din lang ako na dati sa in-invite sa class. And because nakinig ako and nag-invite ako sa class, boom, talagang na-realize ko, ang dami ko pa palang hindi alam. If we try to discuss it na tayo-tayo lang kasi sa kaibigan natin, mahirap po mag-convince, especially if bago pa tayo. That's why we encourage the classes. It started that way for me, and I think to every one of us, no, that's why I think it would start that way to your friends, family also. Although dati of course, sa training centers pa, alright, or sa mga seminars. But right now, easier kasi kahit nasa bahay lang sila, no, pwede mong kulitin, mag-open ka na ng Zoom, ito yung meeting ID, makinig ka, ito, coach ko ito ngayon, di ba? So, pwede nang ganun, madali nang. And kung sabihin nila may trabaho ako niyan may ako niyan, maraming excuses. Ito, bigyan mo ng pre-recorded video, no? Via the Dominate embedding or yung kay Sir Joen na video or kahit yung sa coach mo na video. Meron tayo kay Sir Jess, kay Coach Ken, kay Sir John, kay Coach Rosie, marami pa po yung iba't ibang leaders natin, meron na po sariling membership orientation na class. Kahit nga yung mga members and associates din, so believe ako sa mga members, marketing directors and associates na talagang nagsa-step up na. And they do volunteer in doing classes. So makikita mo talaga na they really want to achieve something in their life. So mas masarap tulungan po kasi yung tao talaga na nagsusumikap, di po ba? Sabi pa nga sabi na the teacher appears when the student is ready, di ba? So yun sa team ko yan din yung nararamdaman ko kasi yung ang sarap-sarap tulungan ng mga taong gusto talagang matulungan yung sa Bisaya pa naningkamot, di ba? So ayan, so at nakikita mo kung if they really do their best, they have the meeting mentality, they're very coachable, so they really succeed in their business, in this business, ano? They are able to help a lot of people, they are able to earn big income, no? You actually yung income, yung promotions, yung rewards, parang yun na lang siya, parang um outcome na lang siya of helping many people if you just focus on our mission, which is 20M by 20, I mean 30M by 2030. All right? So, next to that, yung ating pag-invite sa class, ito, another vital na step, ano, which is the follow-up. Ito, weakness ko din ito dati. Actually, lahat naman siguro tayo, even up to now, no? Parang pag follow up na, naku, parang ano, mahirap. No? Yun na agad una na iniisip. But no, we really have to follow up. One of my guilt, no, personal experience ko lang, I have two friends na who passed away na when I look back, when I checked our convo in Messenger, no, hindi ko lang siya na-follow up. Siguro kung na-follow up ko siya, siguro may naiwan talaga sa pamilya or natulong sa pag-save sa kanya sa hospital. Right? So, parang guilt ko yan. So, talaga ngayon parang nakita ko na kung gaano kahalaga yung pag-follow up po natin. No? And may tinatawag tayo na 8-speed filter. Right? So, I guess familiar na po ang lahat ng members na ito, dito, ano, kasi tinuturo naman to sa ating fast start, especially of course if naka fast start na. But if hindi pa, so ito po yun, ano. So, number 1 sa ating 8-speed filter is yung second Zoom meeting. Ano po ibig sabihin nito, ano? So, after po natin sila pina-attend ng class, Zinoom po natin sila one-on-one or messenger or what have you, di ba? Pero kinausap po ba natin to close? Or minsan nga yung kaibigan natin, while nakikinig pa siya sa Zoom class, sinasabi na niyang, ang ganda pala, Hera, no? Sige, magjo-join na ako nito. So after the class, automatic na, dun na, close na natin yung ating associate promotion, di ba? So kadalasan ganyan din, di ba? So did we do the follow up, no, yung itong follow up through chat or through Zoom meeting? By experience po, Zoom meeting po talaga yung pinaka-effective kasi na-address po yung mga questions talaga and nakikita natin yung isa't isa. And then pangalawa, binigyan po ba natin sila ng checklist, no? Yung checklist na link natin is nasa dominating lang natin, where nakikita natin yung lahat ng benefits ng IMG, and yung prospects natin would just have to choose ano po yung normal na tanong ko, ano po dyan yung pinaka gusto nyo na benefit. So may magustuhan lang po na isa, no? Say, I want to get the long-term care, or I want to invest in mutual funds, no? So isa lang po dun, that means for membership na po siya. All right? Minsan nga may isa talaga ako member na yung chinek lang niya is to travel the world. Pero yung member ko na yung chinek is to travel the world lang is ngayon MD na, and ngayon running for SMD na din. Di ba? So hindi mo talaga alam. So once maitik lang ng isa, that's for Q&A na. So you can review the benefits, yung number 4 natin. Review mo yung benefits, and you always stress on the solid financial foundation, right? So masistress po natin yung Kaiser. Kung doktor pa po tayo, di ba? Alam naman natin na mahalaga yung solid financial foundation, tapos yung interest ng prospect mo is mutual funds lang talaga, tapos hindi mo siya shinaran about Kaiser, and sabihin mo lang, sige, mag-mutual funds ka lang muna, di ba? So, ano mangyayari dyan, di ba? So, parang nag-prescribe ka ng maling gamot. So, of course, i-discuss mo siya yung kahalagahan ng long-term care, which solves the solid financial foundation talaga, kasi address na yung baba, address na yung pangalawa sa baba, at yung investments na where yun talagang pinaka-importante sa kanila. And of course, you discuss debt elimination and building emergency fund as well. So wag po natin kakalimutan na wag lang mag-focus sa kung anong mahalaga sa kanila. Minsan hindi lang po nila alam minsan kung ano po talaga yung kailangan nila sa buhay. And surely lahat naman tayo kailangan talaga yung long-term care. So ibida po natin yung ating Kaiser. I'm so proud of Kaiser because I believe that this really solves the tawag nito, yung ating poverty, cycle of poverty dito sa Philippines because of the lack of healthcare ng bawat retiree. Imagine niyo kung may healthcare talaga yung bawat retiree, so malilesen yung burden ng mga anak, ng ibang generations, and they can really fulfill their dreams. So malaki po yung ma-address parang solution po talaga siya sa poverty dito sa Philippines. And what we really do is empowering them, empowering people to be educated. Once they're educated, they know that they need to build their solid financial foundation. They need Kaiser long-term care, right? And then magpa-follow na po yung iba dyan. That's what happened to me, right? I got Kaiser, I got most 18, and then diversified ng mutual funds, and at the same time nagbi-build po kami ng emergency fund. Noon talagang malaking sakripisyo, no? Dadaan tayo diyan. So mas malaking sakripisyo, the sweeter the reward din, ano. So ayan, so wag pong kaligtaan yung pag-share ng solid financial foundation at ng Kaiser, no, before po tayo mag-close. So closing can be done through e-join and e-up. Ito yung power talaga ng ating system. I remember yung first ko po na joiner and saver po sa IMG back in January. No, I joined in January, pero alam niyo po kung kailan yung first join and save ko po after ng husband ko. March na po, and yung first join and save ko is hindi pa nasa Pilipinas. Nasa ibang bansa, nasa Singapore, classmate ko po ng high school. So, paano ko siya process? So, at that time, meron na pong e-join and e-up. So, my first e-join and e-up is talagang na, aside from my husband, is, online na. So nakita ko dun kung gaano ang beauty talaga ni, pwede pala, no? Pwede palang gawin kahit nasa ibang bansa, no? So, tapos yung kinuha pa niya noon is annualized. So, pwedeng, ang laki pala, no? Ng income din. Pag, kung imaginein mo, kung maka-close ka ng maraming annual, ano? Maka-help ka ng maraming OFW. So, parang makikita mo na, pwede pala ito, di ba? So I'm sure, no, every one of us can see that already, especially now because that's what we have been doing na e-join and e-up, pero matagal na po talaga ito. Ito na yung ginawa ko din. First ko talaga in 2016, e-join and e-up na. And then, once na mag-join and save na po sila, hindi po tayo mag-stop doon, ano? Of course. So, we know na every member, may mga kakilala din po sila na pwede nilang tulungan. And kailangan nilang tulungan, especially yung family nila. So, you advise them to invite their family and friends to the next Zoom class. If you fail to do this, parang sayang, no? I mean, ano ba talaga yung purpose? Hanggang pagpapasave lang ba? Hanggang pag-commission lang po ba sa kanila? Of course, you would want to help them too. And of course, they can earn income too, di ba, if they have guests. Right? So, and of course, after that is to let them set their goal and know their why, kung bakit po ba sila nag-join sa IMG. So, we know also as their sponsor, kung ano ba yung rason kung bakit sila nag-join and bakit nila gagawin yung IMG, especially if gagawin na po yung career side, ano. For example, one of my member na sa Dubai, ano, and yung goal po niya is makauwi na agad sa Pilipinas kasi nandito pa yung anak niya. So, and nandito, and naglolong talaga siya na makasama yung anak niya. So, nung nakita niya talaga yung beauty ng ating business, right now she's running for SMD. That's what she's aiming for talaga, no? Next year, uwi na talaga siya sa Pilipinas. So, and there were times talaga during the past few months na nanghihina siya. Kasi nga, of course, we experience rejections and no's. So, yan yung pampalakas natin sa kanya, di ba? Ma'am, ganito yung goal natin para makauwi. So, paaalalahanin mo siya sa reason niya na hindi yung rason natin is yung mga taong nag-reject sa atin. Yung rason natin is gusto mong makauwi na sa Pilipinas for good because you can earn good income na here in IMG. All right? And I'm so proud of her right now kasi nakita ko din talaga yung transformation niya, no? From being like, ayokong mag-share, in-invite ko siya mag-share, ayaw niya mag-share dati. Ngayon talagang nagvo-volunteer na siya mag-share sa aming mga meeting. And magaling na po siya mag-MO sa kanyang mga team. Nakakatuwa po talaga, no? Hindi mo talaga, you cannot really judge a person, no? Ay, introvert, pero naku, ngayon, ang galing-galing pala talaga, no? So, I'm just so proud. Marami tayong mga team na ganyan, but it's so amazing lang po talaga yung nanggagawa talaga ni IMG. So, yeah, again, know their goals and get their why. Kung pwede isulat po talaga natin. Okay? So, ito yung maganda sa ating system ngayon kasi yung pagpa-follow up natin, yung filter na yon hindi na kailangan na gawin mo talaga one-on-one or sa messenger. Although, of course, we do that as well. But IMG is doing its best para may automation na. But before pa that, dyan, ginagawa na po ito ni Coach Rosie. Ito po yung sample niya, no? Bibida ko din lang yung ginawa ni Coach Rosie. So, samples of filter 1, ito yung ginagawa niya, no? Congratulations for being part of the campaign, no? Sa share list natin, no? So, may email siya na, hello, how are you? We can do this too, ha, sa ating Dominate. Sabi niya, I hope you learned a lot from the free financial coaching class organized by the Better Millennials of IMG. Congratulations, you are now part of 30 million financially educated families by 2030. Brother Bo Sanchez said in one of his talks, there's a big block that prevents people from achieving their dreams. It's education without execution. So start with a financial checkup. So this would encourage them to execute, to have a financial checkup, and then they would learn na, uy, wala pala akong long-term care, or wala pala akong insurance, uy, marami pa pala akong utang, or wala pa akong emergency funds, right? So, of course, we can do this sa messenger too, or by phone, but ito yung ginagawa ngayon ni IMG, no, sa admin, so that automated na lahat, ipapasok mo lang yung mga pangalan nila sa ating campaign list. After that is filter 2 and 3. We want to hear what is inside your heart. Ganda, no? Galing ni Coach Rosie. Sabi niya, hello, based on the class that you have attended, which benefits are relevant to you, no? Let us know what you think by filling up this survey. So yung ating survey link nasa portal lang din po sa ating Dominate, no? If you have questions, don't hesitate to reply to this email or reach me with my contact details below. So, yung survey na, yung pipiliin nila yung anong benefit yung gusto nila. Na? Diba? So, pang-apat, how easy it is to start. No? Ganda ng subject line. So, IMG has changed many people's lives, people from all walks of life. Tapos makikita mo na dito, linagay ni Coach Rosie yung link sa mga turning point stories ng ating mga pinaka-successful na mga IMG members. Alright? So, dito, if i-open ito email ng iyong prospect, so makita niya, oh, ang dami palang naging successful talaga sa IMG, and nakakapagbago talaga ng buhay. Right? Sabi dito, IMG gives you a chance to set your future right. Help and inspire other people to grow financially by giving this 48 benefits exclusively for members. So, andito na naman yung link for the benefits, 'di ba? So sa email na lang. And again, generated na po ito soon, Ito yung sabi ni Sir Joanne. And then number 5, start building a solid financial foundation. Dito mo na i-discuss yung iyong Kaiser. So lagay mo dito yung basics ng Kaiser, tapos sa baba, lagay mo din yung video link ng Kaiser. So there are many Kaiser videos in YouTube. You can choose the one na gawa ng sponsor mo, or gawa ng SMD, or ng anyone from your team, So you can attach that link here para yun yung makita din nila. Okay? Yung favorite ko is yung kay Coach Stella, Tapos nagawa din ako ng video na based on kay Coach Stella Florence of Davao, and also yung kay Coach Rosie. And then yung kay Coach John, yung sa husband ko naman, si Sir John, Gustong-gusto niya yung presentation ni Sir John pag lalaki na. So then yun din yung ginawa niya. So sabi dito, you don't need yung mga facts na din about long-term care. So again, automated na po ito sa ating Dominate, and dadating po ito, ma-receive po ito sa email ng iyong prospect. Alright? And after that, ma-invite na po natin siya sa ating career side. Start a career as a financial educator. Ano po yung content? So, get your broker's code. So, magpapamember na po siya. Start your own savings program, and magkukuha na po ng Kaiser. Bigay mo po yung mga available options ng payment, at saka yung ating iba't ibang account numbers. Alright? So, nasa email na po yan. So, baka mamalayan mo na lang, uy, sa portal mo, may bago ka na palang member or saver, kasi meron na tayong auto-generated na emails. Diba? So, it happens, right? Kasi may mga may Dominate na tayo. Yan ka-powerful po yung ating Dominate na tool. Alright? And then free gifts just for you. So you can opt to, for example, nagpa-member na po siya, bigyan niyo po siya ng hard copy ng book, pero pwede niyo po siyang i-ship sa kanya or ibigay sa kanya ng personal. Sabi dito, get a free hard copy of the best-selling book entitled The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Just refer 5 friends to our online class. So, may task po, of course. So, dapat may ma-refer po sila. Kasi makikita mo din yung commitment niya or yung, yung drive talaga niya to do then the mission with us if magre-refer po siya ng friends. If hindi, of course, parang hindi pa niya nakuha talaga kung ano yung ginagawa natin. Okay? So, sabi dito, you may reply with their friends' names. Pwede po niyang ilagay, di ba? So, at least dyan, malalaman na natin kung sino talaga na yung dapat tulungan natin. Kasi if they give their friends' names, so dapat po nating tulungan kasi nagbigay na po ng mga referrals. Okay? Okay, sige. And you can get the address no para mabigay mo sa kanila yung book mismo. Ma-send nyo po yung book mismo. And then lastly, yung mentorship na po, I will guide you. So this is when you know their whys also. Ito yung sample email ni Coach Rosie. Ang galing po. Hello, I have 6 years of experience in this industry. After you join IMG, I will be your exclusive direct mentor. I will guide and help you achieve your dreams. I will be with you every step of the way. That is a promise. Join our community. So this is the link na naman for the membership. Pabalik-balik po siya. Yung last line niyo po, let your hopes, not your doubts, shape your future. Let's build hope to the world. Kaya yung name ng team niya is Hope Builders. Diba? Ang galing ni Coach Rose, no? And ito din po yung sinuggest niya kay Sir Joen, diba? Kasi Sir Joen, even our leaders, no, they're very open to suggestions and open to learning. So, na-mention din po ito ng ating leaders sa last na leaders call. And they take the suggestions of our, ngayon they have the CEO meeting and they are currently brainstorming na din ano, what to do best for our company. Ayan, so thumbs up. 'Di ba? Pwede kayong mag-thumbs up diyan. Ang galing ano kasi automated na po yung ating follow up. Soon actually you can do this now or wait for the system to do it now for us, but you can do it now na, and we can do it. We've been doing this naman ano sa chat and everything, but this is just beautiful because it's already automated. Okay, we can have a joiner, a saver even while we're sleeping. Okay, galing. All right, so naglampas na po ba ako? Hindi pa, no? All right, malayo pa pala. So, see the beauty of our business, our edge, why IMG members are so lucky, are so blessed. Do you know why? Because of our Dominate tool. No? So itong e-commerce business natin, only few businesses can afford this edge. So if you, for example, if you subscribe, if you have the Dominate tool as a businessman right now, I think the cost would be 40,000 up every month. Right? But because you're an IMG member, it's free for everyone and it's just for us to learn and maximize it. It's something naman, kasi ito, you really learn by doing it, no? Yung pupunta ka talaga sa Dominate and gawin mo siya dun. Mahirap kasi siya na, I can say, no, I can talk to you about all those things right now and you learn from it, but that would just be 10%. Ano, iba pa rin yung ikaw talaga yung pupunta, kagaya ng ikaw yung gagawa ng email mo, alam mo talaga kung ano yung process ng paggawa ng email or ikaw yung magpa-process ng e-join, alam mo talaga kung paano mag-process ng e-join kaysa iaasa mo lang siya sa iyong sponsor o sa iyong SMD, di ba? Kasi once you learn, easily matuturuan mo na din yung members mo, yung mga coming na members mo. So learn as fast as we can, okay? So e-commerce, only few businesses can do this, guys, and ang galing ni IMG. And what's even better is 24/7 global access anytime, anywhere. And that's why we're fast growing everywhere in the world. Another beauty. You're safe and healthy. Meron ba tayong mga tangible products? So no. Intangible products kasi at yung ating Kaiser, online lang. Yung ating Most 18, online lang. Di ba? Lahat online lang. Yung ating membership, online lang. No inventory na makakapagdala ng virus na isi-ship at makakapagdala ng virus. Wala ding shipping, di ba? So, ang galing-galing ng talaga, no? And that's why we are pandemic proof. And ngayon pa lalo kasi yung mga tao na-realize nila kung gaano kahalaga yung tinuturo natin kagaya ng pagbibuild ng emergency funds kasi maraming tao ngayon yung nahirapan talaga na for example yung nawalan ng trabaho or na cut yung pay so tapos wala silang emergency funds na savings, so they really have struggled now and they realize na nga no, tama pala yung sinasabi ni IMG na mag-save ng emergency funds na debt free na no, and most especially na mayroong long-term care or mayroong health care. Kaya ang dami kumukuha ng Kaiser ngayon. Ano? And Kaiser, talking about Kaiser long-term care, wala tayong kompetensya. Diba? We are the only long-term care in the Philippines, no? So we should be proud, right? So ito pa, virtual lahat, kahit yung convention natin, last convention natin, around, di ba, nakita natin yung data, around 200,000 and more pa nga na attendees. 200,000 all over the world. Ito yung team ko because I'm so proud of my team lang talaga na naka-attend, ano, kasi you know what, dati I really find it hard. Hindi po kasi ako yung type din na, kasi nga mahihain ako and then quite an introvert, no? Hindi ako yung ma-push ng tao na tara na, attend tayo ng convention, ano, kulang ako sa ganyan dati. And so I'm so happy now na naging virtual tuloy siya. Mas marami pa tuloy nang naka-attend, no? Ito yung team namin, merong nasa US, merong nasa Middle East, merong nasa Europe, merong nasa iba't ibang sulok po ng Pilipinas. So same po ng mga team ninyo, and nakakatuwa lang po when I joined the Malaysia Convention, no, Macau Convention last year of October, mag-isa lang po ako sa team ko. Talagang nakakaiyak kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, ano ba to? Hindi man lang ako marunong mag-invite, no? I mean, hindi man lang ako makapag-convince ng team ko na makapag-attend talaga ng convention, no? Hindi ako makapag-push. Pero doon, ano, sa convention, kahit mag-isa ka, so hindi talaga rason, no, kahit mag-isa ka. Sabi ko din sa sarili ko na when I join the next convention, dapat green jacket na ako. No, so I really fought for it, no, and my team along with me fought for it. I'm so proud of my team, no. Shout out sa team ko. So no, last February natapos po talaga namin yung aming green jacket run. So, ayun, ano. But of course, sabi pa nga nila, you're not a real green jacket unless you have a green jacket then under you. So, we're fighting for that right now, ano. Kasi wala pa po ako, it's sad talaga, yung ikaw pa lang yung green jacket, ikaw pa lang yung ring earner. So, yun din talaga yung next goal ng team, ano, na magkaroon ng next green jackets or even more pa nga, kasi mas magagaling pa to yung mga ano ko yung mga SMDs ko ngayon, talagang nakikita ko na mas magagaling pa sila sa akin. So, I'm super, super just proud of them. And you know, so yan yung team ko, nakaka-proud. I'm saludo talaga ako sa leaders natin na ginawa po nila yung ating convention na virtual, ano, kasi naging possible po ito. To show you lang po how my team have grown. So this is me. I live in Cebu City. We used to run an apartment here in Cebu City. Right now we're in Banawe naman. But this is how I started, no? Mag-isa lang ako dati, one member, no? And then naggrupo siya. Ngayon, we are all over the world na po, ano? So, this is my husband. Of course, dalawa po. This was I think, 2018 or 2019 na convention where we received an award, no? So, of course, kasama ko siya. Siya po kasi yung kasama ko dito sa mission na ito, ano? So, um, ngayon, everywhere in the world, we have members na hindi mo yan makakalain, ano? So, sa Europe, sa US, sa Canada, sa Australia, di ba? Kahit sa ang lupalop ng mundo, sa Norway, pwede po tayong magkaroon ng team. Pwede po tayong, kasi everywhere in the world may mga OFWs, di ba? So, marami pong mga Pilipino na kailangan matuto ng paano mag-ipon ng sakto. So, and this was made because of the system of IMG. You just really have to, you know, to follow the system of IMG. The system is beautiful and amazing lang po talaga, right? So this is the power of the wealth creation system. So this is our achievement so far this pandemic. I know it's malayo pa ito sa achievement ng ating mga leaders kasi wala naman sila sa ngayon na nagmi-meeting pa sila, no? So yung mga CEOs natin, of course, naka-achieve na sila ng mga green jackets and everything. Pero sa team namin, so far sa team na ito, very proud na din po ako. We have this pandemic, actually nag-count na din po ito, no? So we have 353 new associates and counting po during this pandemic, 29 new marketing directors, 3 new senior marketing directors, 2 EMDs, 1 green jacket, ako pa po ito, and 1 Sapphire Million Ring earner, ako pa po ito. So yung goal po namin is probably next year po, ano, marami na po talaga tayo. So ayan, and what's great is aside from this, guys, no, aside from this, there's an exciting thing coming na din, ano. So there's a whole new world around us, no. I mean, coming here in IMG. Sabi pa nga sa song, no, ng ating Aladdin, unbelievable sights, kakanta na naman. Indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. So nakikita niyo yung picture, saan po ba ito? Di ba? Pinapakita ko po ito sa lahat kasi lahat po tayo pwedeng mag-qualify po. Pwede po tayong pumunta ng London for free and sponsored po ng IMG as a reward of helping many people. So you can see here our coaches no na nakapag-qualify na, nasa may seat na po sila sa ating buses, ano. So sila Coach Rose, Sir Jess, Miss Joanne, and the rest, no. So example natin dito, no, because this can be done by all. We have here Coach Joanne, right? So Ma'am Jo or Coach Jo is an engineer by profession. And when last year, no, dito sa associate event natin, no, December, no, last year, she was still an associate here. But she decided really that she really wants to do IMG and she promoted herself to marketing director. Pag February po, dito sa nag-attend po, hindi na po, ito lang kasama niya pag December, pag February, marami na po sila. Alright? And then come May, ito silang lahat naging SMD, right? When you really, I have to say, you have to be a believer of meetings, especially of big meetings, of conventions, kasi when you attend conventions, look at what happens. Mapro-promote po kayong lahat to SMDs. All right? Of course, hindi applicable to all kasi meron namang nag-attend ng convention pero wala yung isip nila doon or they didn't do the mission after. All right? But these people are very admirable. Talagang saludo ako sa mga taong ito. I know these all and I've attended all their classes as well. So saludo po sa inyo nila Ma'am Niza, no? Sila Sir Michael. Ayan, and yung nangyari po kay Coach Joe from an engineer, nag-quit po siya. Ngayon, she's a CEO of IMG and of course a green jacket na and CEO and she's a qualifier of the London trip. So anyone kasi yung next deadline natin is February pa naman. I think nag-qualify siya last July na deadline. All right? So ito po si Coach Jo, she got promoted na to a CEO. This is open to all again. All right? So madaling-madali lang po yung system ni IMG para lang po siyang ang tawag dito gears, 'di ba? Gears yung tawag dito. So ganito lang po siya. May maliit na gear, pag mag-move yung isang maliit na gear and align siya sa other gears, where it got bigger, no, nagmo-move po talaga lahat, ano. So, yan lang po yung system ni IMG. And to give you a picture, ito lang siya, no. First thing that you should do always is to register your prospects to your counter. Okay? Register to your campaign link. Once you do this and you do the campaign to them, so automatic sa 30 campaigns mo naman siguro meron kang 1-1. Maga-qualify tayo sa shirt. Yung deadline again is December 15. I know a lot of you here have qualified already. I have the blue and the gray shirt. Ang galing, ang ganda-ganda po and shinip na lang po siya dito sa bahay. Okay? Di na po dati akala ko dati na pupunta pa sa office and kukunin pa doon. But ngayon, siniship na lang po sa bahay. So, ayan. So, baka marami na din po or baka lahat na nga po tayo na nag-qualify sa ating free na shirt. So, ayan lang po. Once we do this, automatic, no? Madaling-madali na po yung 3-3. So, automatic marketing director na po tayo. The deadline again is December 15. And once we just follow the system, we keep doing this, we keep doing the campaign each day in and day out, talagang dadating sa punto na mananalaytay na yan sa dugo mo, yung hindi ka na hindi ka na at ease kung wala kang share ng financial education in a day. Naramdaman na po ba ninyo yan? Kasi ganyan po yung naramdaman ko dati. Yung may trabaho pa po ako, pero sabi ko, I really don't find fulfillment sa trabaho kong ito. Andito yung IMG and parang ang dami pang kaibigan na making financial mistakes. Ang dami pang kaibigan na nasa scam, di ba? So na-feel mo din yung gravity of not sharing when you realize na nagsisisi yung kaibigan mo na nakakuha ng mahal na financial product or na-scam sila, lalo na-scam sila. Because when they are members of IMG, they would understand, di ba, kung ano yung saktong pagpapalago ng pera. So, wag kayong mahiya na mag-share talaga ng IMG. Wag tayong mahiya na mag-aghat din po ng ating members to do the IMG business, to do the IMG mission, because this is a great mission and a very sustainable business for everyone. Win-win situation for all. And yes, back here sa 33 mo, itong 33 mo, tulungan mo din sila na ma-promote lang to MD and then it would just, compound. And before pa siguro mag-end yung December, ma-meet na po natin or makamit na natin yung ating ultimate SMD promotion, which is 50 discount right now. What is 50 discount? Bumibili nga tayo ng bag na material stuff na 50 50% discount, pero walang laman yung bag natin. Di ba? So, or ano pang mga bagay-bagay dyan. Ito siya, 50% discount that can really give you millions, di ba? Kasi kikita ka dito eh. Ito yung discount na kikita ka, hindi yung discount na mag-aalis ng pera sa bulsa mo. Because of this, 4 years ago, I became an SMD because of this promotion. Also, hindi ko talaga siya pinakawalan, Because of this, I was able to let go of my job. No? And nakapag full-time na po ako sa IMG until now, along with my husband. No? Ganyan ka-powerful po yung contract ng SMD. Alright? So 47, and actually, again, result lang po yan eh. You would really feel it as a result. At kasi ang dami pa, along with it, may mga free healthcare, and marami pa pong iba, di ba? So, ayun, just do the mission lang talaga, and ito na, makakamit mo talaga siya. Okay? And back to the song. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now, when did you last let your heart decide? So mag-decide na po tayo, Yung deadline po ng ating promotion to CEO is up to February 28 pa. I know, tayong lahat dito lumalaban for each milestone, whether for associate, MD, SMD, EMD, Green Jacket, CEO, no? I know every one of us know, but ito lahat is makakamit natin dito sa IMG. Naka-ready na po yan. Even the CEO, no? Marami ditong na-promote, no? This pandemic lang na span, naging CEO and nag-qualify din sa London trip. So, pwede po sa atin lahat. If you really want to go to London for free, kasi ako gusto ko din pumunta doon, and I really want to be able to fight for it, and show that we can do it in IMG. Para next year, kung kokonti lang tayo na sa team na makaka-join, mas marami na po. Kasi dati, sabi ko, baka imposible naman, Tapos nakikita mo yung iba, kaya naman pala. So, na-inspire ka talaga sa iba na kaya din pala gawin. So, I want to be able to achieve it also along with my team, so that makita din yung iba na kayang-kaya din po. And that is the CEO promotion again. Alright? So, again, pwede pa po sa lahat. Marami pa pong pwedeng mangyari. It's just December and the deadline is February 28. Ngayon lalo na pandemic, kasi marami yung nakaka-realize how important what we do is. Okay? So let's go to our announcements. So end your 2020 strong. Mag-extend lang po siguro tayo ng mga 5 minutes, okay? Posters. So this is the moment to become MD. Again, 15th po yung deadline, but do not wait for the 15th kasi baka mag-traffic na po. Imagine all over the world, marami po yung magsasubmit for the deadline ng MD. So if you can finish it before the 15th, the better for you po. Okay? And mas mabuti din para mas marami pa sa team mo din yung ma-promote to MD. Okay? And when you qualify for the MD promotion, automatic, of course, qualified na po tayo sa ating jacket, sa Trainer Academy, and sa Trainer Academy. And if you want to pursue the jacket, dagdag lang po tayo ng 2. And I guess you would want to qualify for the SMD as well after this, di ba? Kasi meron ka pa namang 15 days after the 15th. So pwede. Yung ko nga dati, I'll share to you guys, when I run for the SMD, my team, my strong team, kasi we have many teams, di ba? Legs yung tawag doon. Yung strong leg ko talaga, hindi ko pinayagan na hindi siya ma-promote to SMD din. So that talagang pinush ko siya na mag-SMD tayong 2. So, yung strong leg ko, sabay po kaming na-promote to SMD. Sabay po kaming na-award sa Singapore ng SMD. So, pwede po, hindi lang po yung 5-5, pwede nang maglahos or go straight to the SMD promotion. Kasi December 31 pa naman po. Naalala ko po, 15 days lang po niyan, ni-run yung 15-15. After po niyan, nagkalagnat po siya. Pero sabi niya, worth it yung lagnat hair. Diba? So, ayun. And right now, she's in Australia kasi she migrated. And, just sharing to some OFWs, and may few teams din po siya na active pa po dito sa Philippines. So, yan. Hindi natin alam kung sino din talaga yung ma-empower natin within our team, na ma-promote din along with us. Mas masaya po kasi ma-promote na may kasama ka ding ma-promote sa team mo. Okay? Alright. Sige. So, campaign, again, the deadline is the 15th. 1-1 lang po yung deadline, and then yung 30 campaigns. Automatic na po if MD tayo, campaigns na lang yung kulang. And of course, the free healthcare for the MDs and for the SMDs as well, although I did not put the one for the SMD here. Yung kailangan lang po is 5 yearly. Pero to say, don't settle for this kasi yung SMD mas malakas, malaki po yung coverage. Sa MD kasi 70,000 lang, and then for the SMD it's 100,000. For the CEOs, it's 150,000, di ba? So, keep sharing, keep doing the mission, and dadating na lang po talaga yan. Magiging SMD kayo, magiging green jacket din po tayo. Okay? And I have to say, just be coachable talaga and attend meetings. Ako, I have to say na build po talaga ako sa meetings kasi wala akong background ng sales. Empleyado po talaga ako ever since, and I'm an introvert. I don't like, it's not my forte or my comfort zone to keep talking to people because I like being, with myself, reading books and everything. Pero because of IMG, talagang mafe-feel mo na hindi pala, napaka-selfish pala, hindi ka mag-share. So, ayun, so, and as you share, maraming blessings na dumadating, especially gustong-gusto ko tong free na healthcare na ito kasi it gives us peace of mind. And of course, yung atin ng Ultimate Run for SMD. Okay, so feature ko lang yung ating free SMD Rolex watch at yung ating pin. So congratulations dun sa mga nag-qualify na, and sa mga nag-run pa din, meron pang time every moment, every hour, every night. Naalala ko when I was running for SMD, hindi talaga ako makatulog, and even New Year, Pasko, nag-appointment po talaga ako kasi Christmas season din nun. Yung deadline nun is January lang. Ngayon, at least December pa, tapos ka na, di ba? So, talagang nag-appointment ako. May na-close akong 2, New Year yun. So, ganyan. Pero yung reward naman, after nun, di ba, SMD ka na. Di ba? Yung meron ka ng income until the 7th year ng Kaiser, ng prospects mo, and a lot more, no? So, kaya nga, that was then when I was able to afford to let go of my job na. I was able to to fire my boss. I love my boss then. Magandang trabaho ko, pero again, I just find more fulfillment here in IMG of what we do. Okay, so you can do this too, and actually you can do better, no? Yung iba nga, like sila coach, yung mga doctors, sila engineer, no? Nag-quit din sila. And again, yung ating London trip, 28 days, rolling 90 days, February 28 yung ating deadline. Okay? So, sorry, naglampas po tayo. Alright, yun po yung aking end ng presentation. Thank you so much po. I'll end with a quote by, of course, Coach Swan Ngan. Sabi po niya, what would you do if you knew exactly how to win? Ito lang po talaga yung nag-stick sa akin dati, May book po kasi siya, di ba? Anong gagawin mo kung alam mo na kung paano mag-succeed? Di ba? So, mag-SMD ka lang. So, SMD, go for SMD. Diyan po talagang start ng career, ng business dito sa IMG. Fight for it. Fight for your family. Kasi yung family nyo naman po yung magba-benefit na number one. Sino ba yung magba-benefit kung lalaki yung income mo? Sino ba yung magba-benefit kung magiging debt-free kayo, kung marami kayong mutual funds, di ba? So, yung family po natin. And of course, as we have the overflowing blessings, we are able to bless other people too. Okay, so maraming salamat po again for joining me tonight. And I hope na nakapag-learn po tayo. Again, hindi ko po for dito, but I hope nakapag-share po may natutunan naman po. Alright? So, thank you again and have a great weekend, everyone. Patuloy po sa run, okay? Laban po for SMD, for CEO, okay? Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because our mission to financially educate people is limitless. We keep no boundaries to share and spread our advocacy to the families who are in need.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was encouraged and motivated to help more families and prevent them from becoming a victim of a scam.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was able to teach my co-teachers the importance of saving money for their future and their retirement.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because this has inspired me to uplift the image of the teachers that we are not always a victim of loan sharks, but we can also be financially educated and become financial educators as well.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because it has taught me to build a solid financial foundation, which I can't wait to share with more families in the future.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was able to share the knowledge of financial independence to people.
I'm a proud IMG campaigner because this changed my life from a domestic helper to a financial educator.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was able to touch lives through this campaign and transport people to where they ought to be.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because it's amazing to bring financial knowledge to people and guide them towards a debt-free life.
I am a proud IMG campaigner